everyone! Okay, it's 11. I'm gonna start kasi baka tulog pa kayo. But I'm just gonna start to show you that. Ayan, hi Danny! Thanks for joining. So, startan ko na yung raffle natin. So here, I just wanted to advise everyone na yung mga number of names na na-mention nyo, I cross-check it just to make sure na walang doble-doble. So, yung mga double names, I just counted it as one, okay? And then here, I have everybody's name listed as the number of tags na ginawa nyo dun sa IG post. So, yon. Okay, I'm gonna start the first draw for the first winner. So, I hope you guys are ready. And then, I will be recording this to make sure na makita pa rin siya ng iba once tapos na tayong mag-draw. Okay? Thanks everyone who joined. And then, eventually, we'll have another. So, I actually already posted another raffle giveaway. So, continue to just subscribe and then tag your friends on that another giveaway I just posted last night. Okay? So, hang on to your seats and we'll start the first one. So, good luck! Yeah! Congratulations, Nim! You won the first package! Okay, hold on. We have another one. So, last package. I'll remove all of the instances of Nim so that we'll have all of the chances for the others. So, the final draw, I hope everybody gets lucky. But, you know, we only have 2 packages. But definitely, there would be another multiple giveaways coming. So, just continue to, you know, tell your friends about Scrapbookie Crafter You Craft in IG, and as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Tiana Scrapbookie. And, you know, doon namin ilalagay lahat ng mga giveaways, raffles that we're gonna be doing. Okay? So, good luck. This would be our last draw for today. And hang on tight because there would be a lot more. Definitely for scrapting, for journaling, for planning, and as well as there would be some items that might be not related to crafting but will be very beneficial to the ladies out there. Okay? So, let's have the next and last raffle draw right now. Okay? Congratulations, Teen Barceta! You've won the last one. Guys, thank you all for joining. I really appreciate all of the names that you have tagged. And thank you very much for continually subscribing to our IG. And of course, always continue to subscribe in our YouTube. As I said earlier, marami pa kaming darating na mga giveaways. So, you know, just continue to participate. Huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. There will be another day for you, okay? Thank you. You have a great day. Bye!